Hi, so the tutorial I'm going to show you how to upload the documents on the Google Docs website. So first of all, of course, all you need to do just go and open whatever browser you are going to use, and once you did that, of course, you would like to go here to the URL section and just type simply Google Docs. Hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. And of course, from here, you would like to click at the first link, make sure it's not an ad or advertisement. That will take you now into this page. And of course, from here, you would like to log in into your account if you have an account by clicking at the sign in option, or if you don't have an account, you'll need to click at the sign up for free to create an account. Of course, if you have like a Google account like linked into your browser, that will provide you from going through all the boring steps of creating or logging into your account to do one of those two options, which is signing up or signing in or signing up. So once you did one of those options, you'll find yourself here with this homepage or this main screen of the Google Docs website. And of course, from here, if you want to upload the document, you will need now to go to the Google Drive. So now just open a new like tab and click at Drive like Google. Click at the first link. Make sure to click at this first link. Now, of course, do the same. If you have an account, click at sign up at no cost. If you if you have an account, click at sign in. If you don't have an account, click at sign up at no cost. I'm just going to click at sign in, and that will open this for me. I'm just going to change to the other account. That's the same account of Google Docs. And now, of course, let's just ignore this. And here, if you want to upload a file on the Google Docs, you would like to upload it in Google like Drive. So here, you'd like just to go here and click at new and click like file upload. And now you can't see this, so let me just give you the chance to see it. So here we are. Now this opens for me. I'm just going to go to my documents and choose this as an example, and it's uploading. So now it's uploaded, and as you can see, now if I go to the Google Docs and without refreshing or anything, just open here in my Google Docs. And now I'll be able to see it on my Google Docs because I upload this in my drive. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.